All right, guys, this video is just going to be me showing you on my iPad, which is the exact same thing as using an iPhone, or pretty close to the same thing as using an Android phone, on how you can share through the MLS OK app, and then also how you could share through KV Core other agents' listings that allow you to share them, so that you can share them to your sphere, get a buyer from your sphere, bring them to that listing to help the listing agent sell their home. So as you can see right here on the screen, I've got my EXP and MLS apps opened up. If I'm going to do something in the MLS Touch, the MLS Touch app, you can see it right there kind of in the middle on the bottom row. That's MLS OK app. So we'll start right there. So you download the MLS Touch app if you don't already have it, and it'll ask you to log in. I'm already logged in, so this is the screen that shows up. This right here, this is the screen right here that shows up. It's just a map screen when I first log in. Now, if you're looking up a listing that another agent has up here in the search bar, you just simply click up here in the search bar up at the top, remove anything that's there, and then you could do something as simple as just type in the MLS number. And I'm going to use MLS 1052607 as an example. MLS 1052607 as an example. I'm going to click on this link right here, and then I'm going to click on that address right here, and then it pops up on the map, okay? And so here is a listing that I may not be the listing agent of. I'm the listing agent on this one, but I'm showing you this so that you know how to use it. I may not be a listing agent on it. I click on this right here, and then there's the share button. You see the share button right here in the top right? See the share button in the top right? Just click that share button, and you could share it via SMS. You can send it by email. You can send it as a message. You can share it as more options, or you can copy the MLS number. So what I'm going to do, more share options. I'm going to click on more share options. Sorry about that. And so it's going to generate a link for me that I could copy and paste into my social media. See how it popped up here on the right? I click copy right there. I click copy part. So if you copy the link like I did just then you just simply open up your Facebook app. Let me show it to you guys real quick. Open up your Facebook app, and then you open up a post, and then you can simply put the link in there. To get the link to put in there, just tap in the text box and then click paste, and it will pop up right there for you guys. And then do not forget to do some sort of nice little witty write-up that says, call me for all your real estate needs, especially if you want to see this beautiful new listing in Mustang, Oklahoma. So that's an example of using the MLS Touch app through MLS OK to share other agents' listings that you've gotten permission from to do so that you can bring a buyer to their listing. Does that make sense? Thumbs up if that's helpful. Thumbs up if that makes sense. Now let me show you how easy it is when you have KV Core to share a listing real quick. Let me show you how easy it is if you have KV Core to share a listing real quick. Let's go over to KV Core. We'll pop it up real quick. And KV Core is making me sign in. And of course, KV Core has to be difficult, make me hold it in portrait mode, not landscape mode. But if you're at eXp Realty already, and one of your friends in the office say, hey, feel free to share this to your sphere. Bring any buyers to the listing that you have so we can get this house sold. So you log into KV Core, and here is what KV Core looks like on your phone app, on your iPad, on your Android phone, on your Android tablet. This is what it looks like. So if you want to share another listing, just click on listings down here in the bottom middle. Type in the listing MLS that you're looking for. So for example, 1052607, and it will pop up that listing. So there's that listing right there. Select it. This is in your KV Core app if you're an agent over eXp Realty, and it generates this. And then all you got to do to share this listing, click the plus sign, and when you click the plus sign, this pop-up menu pops up. Click the plus sign, click this little plus button right here. Now, unless you're already logged in to Facebook, unless you're already logged into Twitter, unless you're already logged into Pinterest, it's going to ask you to log in. If you don't know if you're logged in already or not, what you could do is you could do the create a squeeze page, the fourth one from the bottom, create a squeeze page. And so it's going to copy this paste, so allow paste, okay? And now it just created this direct squeeze page. See how it has the MLS number up at the top, okay? And you click down at the bottom, get link. So the squeeze page is just about this listing. It says MLS number, that number that we just typed in. Click get link. See how the links popped up and generated. Click copy short link. See how it says short link copied up there at the top. Go back to your Facebook app. Go back to your Facebook app, and then here on what's on your mind, click in there. Click at the top where the cursor is bouncing. Click paste and see what it does. It generates the post again. And of course, you want to put some sort of cute little write-up in there. Call me for all your real estate needs, especially if you want to see this beautiful new listing that our office just took. We cannot wait to help you with all your real estate needs, something like that. And if you're doing it through your KV Core app, where it says joshbarnett.exprealty.com, it's not going to say that, guys. It's going to say your information. It's going to say your information. So those are two simple ways that you as a real estate agent at MLS OK or over at eXp Realty can share other agents' listings with these links to your social media in an effort to get yourself more business, to also potentially help the agent that said, hey, please share this, help them get their listing sold, guys. So it's a win-win for everybody. If you really enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with any of your real estate friends so that they know how to do these simple techniques for lead generation to get more business, to be super productive in 2023. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. And as always, guys, over here at eXp Realty, if you're part of the 30% of agents who don't know if they're exactly at the right brokerage right now, if you don't know that, if you're wondering what else might be out there, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I would love to chat with you about what eXp Realty has to offer you in your future real estate business. See you guys on the next video.